Hello and welcome back. Listen, it's not a picking video today. We've got a package video, and this package is from Monkey Lockpicks. Monkey Lockpicks and I, we sorted out a trade. Primarily, it was about some custom-made picks, and then you know, as you go into it, we sort of put some locks together as well. So my package is on its way over to Monkey Lockpicks, and this package from Monkey Lockpicks got here today. Actually got here yesterday, actually, but it's obviously with work and what have you. It's I never had a chance to open it yesterday. So listen, without further ado, let's get this package open. I'm very, very excited. I am. It come in a package, like just a bag which got delivered in, which I've just taken that out just to make sure there's no personal information, and this is as it is. So listen, let's get into it. Absolutely excited. If you haven't checked out Monkey Lockpicks channel, then just please get yourself over there. Absolutely fantastic channel. Another absolutely superb member of the community. Okay, really excited to see what's in here. It's yeah, exceptionally well packaged. Wow. Okay. Superb, look at this. Okay, let's just get that out of the way. Get over there. Hey, 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 this is all looking rather special. Okay, let's open this up. Okay. It's like Christmas come early for me, it is. Absolutely superb. Okay, here we go. Wow. Look at the goodness in here. This is good. Oh, there's more tape. Okie dokie. Here we go. Okay, a Cesar. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is absolutely awesome. Have a look at the keyway on that. This is savage. Now that is what you call a padlock. Fantastic bitting. Oh, I am absolutely made up by that. That is phenomenal. Superb. Monkey, thank you ever so much. Really, really love that lock. That is phenomenal. Thank you. Vero lock. Going great bitting on that as well. Let's get it opened. Let's get it opened. Wonderful. Absolutely superb. That's not too much of a tight keyway there. Should have some fun getting into that. Absolutely superb. Fantastic. The bitting on the key there. Once again, all sorts of fun there. Thank you very much. Thank you. Absolutely superb. We'll leave those till later. Okay, what's in here? Superb. Snake Bite by Monkey Lockpicks. Absolutely superb. Oh, another Cesar. Oh, we're going to have some trouble with this. My friend, that is fantastic. I am absolutely looking forward to getting into that. Oh, you've gone into the top as well there. Oh, we're going to have some fun with that. Superb. Thank you ever so much. What's in this one? Wait, put that over there. Okay, a Texas Jim. Superb. Works as smooth. Absolutely fantastic. Yep, pretty cool bitting. With the Texas Jim, it's we know we're in for trouble for that one. Superb. Absolutely superb. Fantastic. And let's have a look at these picks. And this is going to be interesting. Just open this up from here. Need to put it up, I think. Oh, they're looking good. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Superb. Nice DeForest diamond there. Probably about 20 thousandths, I think. And then one of his custom monkey ones. Absolutely superb handle there. Absolutely beautiful. Nice medium hook. Probably 20 thousandths, I think. They're absolutely superb. Thank you ever so much. I really, really, really appreciate it. They're fantastic. I love the design. It feels really comfortable in the hand. And this is just beautiful as well, yeah. Fantastic DeForest diamond there. Superb. Listen, absolutely fantastic. Thank you ever so much. I'm getting quite a nice collection of custom made picks now. It's, I'm going to, in the summer holiday, in the Christmas holiday, I'm going to get myself a frame all sorted out. We can get some of these all framed up and get them shown off on the rest of my videos. Lovely, superb work. Feels really comfortable. And your challenge lock, I am looking forward to this snake bite, and I'm sure this is going to be something's going to bite me. Absolutely superb. Listen, hopefully your package is either got there or it will certainly be there very shortly. This padlock, absolutely superb. I'm gonna have some fun getting into that. That's an absolute beast of a padlock. Listen, thank you ever so much, and listen, make sure that you check out Monkey Lockpicks channel. Got an absolutely fantastic channel, a fantastic guy. Thank you ever so much. Listen, hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. I've got some locks to explore and go from there. Listen, take care now, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.